Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate YouTube TV free trial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in youtube.com/TV and hit enter. If you're not already signed in, click on the sign in button in the top right corner. Enter your Google account email address and click next. Input your password and click next again. Once signed in, navigate back to youtube.com/TV. You will see an option that says Start Free Trial. Click on the Start Free Trial button to proceed. Review the information about the trial period. Make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. Click Continue after you've reviewed the details. Next, choose the plan that best suits your needs. Enter your payment information when prompted. Double-check that all entered details are correct. Click Start Trial to finalize your activation. You should receive a confirmation message on the screen. You can now explore the channels and features included in your free trial. Remember to mark your calendar for the trial expiration date. Enjoy your YouTube TV experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for